Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can make a new playlist with the Spotify Pre. So go to open the Spotify apps and go to your library and just select add at the top right corner. Just select playlist. So you can give your playlist a name. Just type, for example. Okay, just click create. So here you can add the song to this playlist. Just click on add to this playlist and you can search for the artists or songs. Just click add to your playlist. Okay, so the song has been added to the playlist. Okay, that's how you can make a new playlist in this Spotify Pre. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.